If you love using Topaz Video AI to upscale and enhance your footage, but hate the constant importing and exporting between apps, I've got some exciting news. I just built a custom tool designed to bridge the gap between Premiere Pro and your local Topaz installation. Let's jump into Premiere Pro to see how it works. Once you open the panel, you have direct control over your Topaz presets. You can create your own custom presets or select from predefined ones right here inside your editing timeline. Setting it up is simple. Under the Settings tab, you just point the extension to your local Topaz Video AI CLI directory. This allows the script to directly communicate with your machine's hardware for maximum processing speed. Back in the main window, you can choose your desired enhancement style. This triggers Topaz's powerful command line interface in the background, transforming your selected clips without ever needing to manually open the standalone Topaz app. We've also built in some incredibly smart automation features. If you check Replace with Topaz version, the tool will automatically swap out your original timeline clip with the upscaled version as soon as it's done. Plus, you can enable auto resize to instantly scale your clip to the new resolution. Need to monitor the progress? The extension provides a live terminal log. You can easily copy the full log content to analyze the render statistics or clear it out when you're ready for the next task. Need to process an entire scene? Just select multiple clips to run them in a batch. When you click Send to Topaz, your files are securely processed and saved locally right next to your original footage in your directory. Right now, this tool is available for Windows users. Streamline your upscale workflow today.